Welcome to the Kiwibit Battery Cam 1 installation guide. In this video, we'll show you how to install your camera quickly and easily. Simply use the timestamps to skip to any section you need. Before starting, we recommend fully charging your camera. You'll know it's ready when the indicator light turns green. Now, here are some tips to find the best location for your camera. Tip 1. Make sure the location is within Wi-Fi range for a stable connection. Tip 2. Mount the camera 7 to 10 feet above the ground for the best coverage. Tip 3. Position the camera to capture motion across its field of view, not directly toward or away, to reduce missed detections. If you're using screw installation, gather the necessary parts and tools shown here. For optimal monitoring and motion detection, make sure to adjust the bracket to the right angle. Hold the bracket with one hand, lift the camera body with the other, rotate the bracket 180 degrees, then tilt it upward. Kiwibit Battery Cam 1 provides multiple installation options to fit your needs. The built-in magnetic bracket lets you easily attach the camera to metal surfaces, like a fridge or storage shed. Remember, the anchor plate is for screw installations only and shouldn't be used with the magnetic bracket. If you prefer wall mount with screws, start by using the anchor plate to mark the drilling points on the wall. Attach the 6mm drill bit to your drill and create holes at the marked points. For concrete, wood, brick, or stucco walls, insert the provided drywall anchors into the holes. Next, align the anchor plate with the holes, ensuring the up label faces upward, and secure it to the wall with screws using the screwdriver bit. Finally, slide the 3 holes on the bracket into the notches on the anchor plate and push the bracket downward until it locks securely in place. If you prefer ceiling mount with screws, start by using the anchor plate to mark the drilling points on the ceiling. Attach the 6mm drill bit to your drill and create holes at the marked points. For concrete, wood, or other hard surfaces, insert the provided drywall anchors into the holes. Then, align the anchor plate with the holes, making sure the up label faces outward, and secure it with screws. Next, align the bracket with the plate's notches and slide it until it locks into place. If you'd like to place the camera on a flat surface, like a table or shelf, simply adjust the bracket to your desired angle for the best view. To remove the camera from the screw installation, press the bracket inward and then lift it upward to detach it from the anchor plate. Thanks for watching. If you need more support or detailed guides, visit us at kiwibit.com/pages/support.